Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by checking prerequisites. Make sure your Roku firmware is updated and your phone or PC is on the same network. Once done, decide whether you will cast from a device or sideload an app. If sideloading, enable developer mode on the Roku. This opens a private channel but requires a reboot. Make sure you know your Roku IP address and have a simple web browser ready on your computer for the next steps. This reduces friction and explains why we prepared the devices. You now choose the method. For casting, open Google Chrome or Android's cast feature, select your Roku from the device list, and start mirroring the tab or screen. This streams YouTube and Google apps without installing. For sideloading, upload the compiled Roku package via the developer mode web interface at the Roku IP, then install the channel from the web installer. This requires a properly formatted manifest. Make sure you're signed into the same Google account on the source device, so services authenticate smoothly. You finish by testing playback. Open the Google app or cast a video and confirm audio, video, and remote controls work. If something fails, reboot the Roku and your source device, verify both are on the same subnet, and check that network isolation settings on your router are off. If sideloaded channel won't run, review developer mode logs for errors and re-upload a corrected package. One key tip: reauthorize casting on the source device if discovery or authentication keeps failing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.